Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my electric salt and pepper grinder. I bought this for the convenience of not having to manually grind all my seasonings when I'm trying to make a quick meal, and I am really excited to be able to try this out. The package comes with the instruction manual, 2 USB charging cables, as well as 2 electric grinders, which you can use one for salt and the other one for pepper or whatever other spices that you need. When you first get it in the mail, be sure to charge it all up so that it is ready to use at a moment's notice. The grinder has a large capacity, so I can fill it up and have it last for a while without having to keep refilling it all the time. You can also adjust the coarseness of the grinding with 6 different settings if you wanted to, depending on your preferences. To use it, you will first need to fill it up with your spice of choice by twisting the grinder following the padlock sign on the grinder. When you twist it to the unlocked position, it will open it up and then you can fill it with your spices. Once you are done filling it up, you simply need to put it back on and twist it to the locked position. I can then click on the button and it will automatically grind the spices into my food. I tested it out with some eggs one morning and it worked out really well. Whether for yourself or as a gift for birthdays, Christmas, wedding, housewarming, or other occasions, if you are looking for a convenient and easy to use electric spice grinder, be sure to take a look at this.